Tired of spending hours in the kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is about to revolutionize your meal prep. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's an entire kitchen rolled into one sleek appliance, offering 9 distinct functions from pressure cooking to sterilizing. Imagine perfectly cooked meals with a touch of a button, thanks to its 15 customizable smart programs for everything from rice to yogurt. Durability and healthy cooking are paramount, and the Instant Pot Duo Plus delivers with its premium food-grade stainless steel inner pot. This means easy cleanup, no chemical coatings, and consistently delicious results every single time you cook. Whether you're a busy parent or a culinary enthusiast, this versatile cooker simplifies your life and expands your menu options effortlessly. It stands out as a top kitchen appliance because it truly combines speed, safety, and incredible versatility that other multi-cookers often lack. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? You can find the best deal on the Instant Pot Duo Plus by checking out the Amazon link in the description right now. Investing in this Instant Pot Duo Plus means investing in convenience, flavor, and more precious time back in your day. For anyone looking to buy the ultimate kitchen assistant for 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have.